Hi, my name is Colin Abrams. I've been trading the markets for the past 30 years. I'd like to just tell you a little bit about what I do, and maybe it can help you if you do want to trade the markets yourself. When I say trade, I mean short-term and long-term. I do long-term trading as well. Trading isn't only just short-term. So I've been trading for the past 30 years. I trade for myself. I manage a fund. I consult to fund managers as well, locally and overseas. And I've also been training people how to trade the market since 2001. I've trained people from the regular man in the street, the retail trader, up to professional traders at South Africa's big five banks. When I started trading in the mid-1980s, I was actually still at high school, trading was totally different then. There was no internet, there was no cell phones. I remember the 1987 crash like it was yesterday. I was in second year university. I couldn't check my phone, I couldn't go on the internet. I had to wait until I got home to phone my broker. It was just a totally different time then. I've been trading then. I've had to work out what works, what doesn't work. It's been a long process. There weren't courses then like there are now. There weren't mentors then like there are now. It was really a long-term trial and error, trying to work out what works, what doesn't work. I'd like to impart some of my knowledge to you in the free ebook that I'm giving away. I'm sharing with you my 10 favorite trading rules. There are many different trading rules out there, so I've really had to sift through them and choose my 10 trading rules that I know are true and work well and are effective, and I believe it'll help and be of interest to anyone who's interested in trading or investing, both short-term and long-term. So very often one can make more money in the long-term than short-term trading. A lot of people aren't aware of that. Longer-term trading is often more lucrative than shorter-term trading. But if you want to get this ebook, please click on the link below. It's totally free. My 10 favorite trading rules. I hope you'll enjoy it, and see you later.